In this video, I'm going to show you all the high protein, vegan, and gluten-free eats that I enjoyed today. I'm on a high protein, healthy eating journey, and lately I have been finding it really useful to track my macros to keep me on pace towards building muscle, losing weight, and reaching my fitness goals. I'm going to show you how I track my macros using a handy-dandy, awesome nutrition tracking app and why it has completely changed how I eat. More to come on that, so stick around. Alright you guys, this breakfast was one for the books. I made these totally epic yogurt bowls. They're not your average yogurt bowl, I'm telling you. So I started by adding in some almond yogurt into a bowl. Now I like almond yogurt the best because I find it has the most amount of protein out of any other yogurt out there. And you'll see that I am actually measuring out the weight of my portion because I want to plunk it right into this brand spanking new nutrition tracking app that I have been loving lately. I will give you guys all the details of this app in just a moment, so hang tight. And from there, I then just scanned in my next ingredient, which was this delicious acai berry protein powder from Good Protein. I just love how I can scan my products right into the app. So handy, so convenient. Then I just gave that all a really good mix. Like, look how thick that yogurt is, you guys. Like, that is like luxurious. And then for some healthy carbs, we added some cooked quinoa. Now, I used day-old quinoa, but you can use freshly cooked warm quinoa as well. And then to make this even more berry-licious, I added some frozen cherries, some hemp hearts, which adds a nice source of healthy fats, and a little bit of cinnamon. And there you go, Bob's your uncle. I also made Brad his own little special yogurt bowl. He wanted the mocha flavor, so we did the Good Protein mocha protein powder in his bowl, added some bananas and cacao nibs, and called it a day. Okay, you guys, did you see what I made? Did you see? Seriously, okay. What is this situation I have going on here? I made something I've just started making, like within the last few days. It is a high protein yogurt quinoa bowl situation, and this is, well, one, she's thick. She's real thick. But it's got lots of protein from the protein powder I mixed into my yogurt, plus the quinoa. Quinoa actually has a surprising amount of protein, which a lot of us know, but a lot of us don't know. Like 2.7 grams of protein per every third cup, which is like a lot. Like, I got 2/3 of a cup in here. Wow, this is this is a situation, but it smells so good. It smells like a berry explosion. And anyway, you might be wondering, well, Janelle, how did you know how much protein was in 1/3 of a cup of quinoa? Well, I have been using this new app, you guys, called the Trainist app, and it's a new nutrition tracking app, and it's new to the market, and it's really cool, and this is actually how I've been tracking for the last few weeks all of my macros. You guys know, if you've been watching me for the last month or so, I have been really focusing on like upping my protein intake lately because I'm working out a lot. I'm trying to build that muscle, and I won't know how much protein I'm eating if I'm not tracking it. At least that's personally like how I operate. So I have been using this app here to not only track my protein intake, but also my calories, so like my carbs, my fat, my protein, because I have some goals. You know, I want to lose a few pounds. I'm going on vacation soon, and I just want to make sure that I'm like staying on track. So this Trainist app that I've been using has been really awesome, and it's so easy to use. Anywho's, for the rest of the day, I will be using the app to track all of my meals, all of my macros, so you guys are gonna see what I come in at the end of the day. Will I reach my goals? I do not know, but we will find out together. Okay, I'm gonna eat this because it looks so delicious, and I'm so hungry, and I don't know how I'm gonna fit that in my mouth because it's a lot going on here. Oh, that is so good. Oh my. This is so good, you guys. Oh, that bright sun is bright. Hello, so I just pulled up in the grocery store parking lot. I'm at Superstore, and I'm gonna just do a little bit of grocery shopping. It's not gonna be a huge haul today, so I'm not gonna show you a ton, but I have some things I need to pick up for the week. So let's go inside and get some healthy groceries. It's cold. Bye. We just arrived home and got some groceries, so let's see what I got. I got some bananas, which I'm not gonna put in the fridge. I got limes, bean sprouts. These are gonna be in a very special dinner that I'm making tonight. I'm making pad thai, you guys. Totally vegan pad thai. And I may be making a tamarind sauce from scratch. Got lots and lots of tofu, which I always do. I always load up on tofu because Brad and I go through it like you wouldn't believe. And we got lots of veggies. Celery, cilantro, green onion. We use the cilantro in Mexican rice. I'll use the green onion in my pad thai. I always have broccoli. It's one of my favorite vegetables. And I got some mushrooms as well. These are on sale. Yay. Got some more soy milk. I already have lots, so more tofu. This is, I think it's like medium firm. And I also got smoked tofu. This was on sale and this is new. I've never seen this at Superstore. So that will be yummy. Splurgy item. Don't usually buy this, but I really wanted it for my pad thai, so I got some liquid just egg. Got some carrots, got some bell peppers. I got frozen pineapple. Mostly this goes into our smoothies, so this will last us a little while. Garlic, onions, kiwis. Now, I bought a lot of yams. I specifically chose yams of this shape because these make for really good pieces of toast. I will slice them thinly and they will be what I use to make toast in the morning. And if you guys have been watching me for a long time, you know how much I love sweet potato toast. So who needs bread when you have yams? Last but not least, some tomatoes, just cause. But don't put them near your bananas or they will make your bananas ripen too quickly. Keep them away. Same with your avocados. Okay, now that we are done with that, I am gonna get ready to work out. It is are we doing upper body today? We're doing upper body. Eccentric upper, to be exact. So a lot of slow, eccentric movements. That'll be really crazy and yay. Okay, today's workout was eccentric upper from the P90X3 workout program. I'm about 9 weeks into my 12-week program, and I gotta say, this one is a beast. If you want to see serious gains when it comes to weightlifting, you definitely gotta try eccentric weightlifting. Long, slow movements are what is really going to help you build muscle and feel stronger in a remarkably short period of time. Like, I am so impressed with how far I have come just in these 9 short weeks. And if you guys want more updates, you want to see kind of how I'm doing in this weight loss and fitness and health journey, definitely subscribe below because I'm going to be sharing a lot more updates in a future What I Ate in a Day video, and I don't want you to miss out if this is something that helps inspire you in your own health fitness journey. So Brad and I just finished our really intense upper body workout. I'm absolutely exhausted. Like, I can barely lift my arms. I don't know how I'm gonna feed myself in a few minutes. As far as lunch goes today, I have some leftover soup that I made yesterday actually, and I already tracked it in my Trainist app, which is pretty cool. I knew that I wanted to make a big batch of soup. I literally called it my fridge cleaner soup because it was everything that was in my fridge that needed to get used up, little random veggies that would go bad if I didn't use them soon. So it's packed with veggies, it's packed with protein. We've got some red lentils and we've got green peas in there. It's really, really yummy. I used a whole bunch of like turnips, so like half the soup is turnips. But trust me, it's pretty good. I am so hungry. This bowl is really hot. I'm gonna eat now. Hot, but delicious. Okay, hey, so it's a little while until I'm gonna be making dinner, but there's something that I've been wanting to try for a while that I'm finally committing to doing it today. I'm making tamarind paste. Now, if you aren't familiar with tamarind paste, it's something that is used quite a lot in Asian cooking, specifically Thai cooking from my understanding, and it's what really makes like an authentic pad thai. So it's been so long since I've had pad thai, at least since I've made pad thai. And so I have this brick of tamarind pulp that I've had in my fridge. Honestly, it's probably been a year, not gonna lie, but I Googled it. Tamarind tamarind pulp lasts a really long time. And from the looks of it, it looks totally fine. Smells really good too. Anyway, I'm going to attempt to make tamarind paste and so that I can use it tonight to make pad thai. So let's do it. So what you're about to see is not pretty by any means, but it is the way, it is the only way that I know how to do this. It just looks kind of gross, okay? But this is how you get tamarind paste. You just gotta squeeze it all out until it looks something like this. There we go. There is my tamarind paste sauce, whatever we're calling it. I suppose I should taste it. Wow, that's sour! But that's how it's supposed to be, I think. I think that'll be really good in my pad thai. On to the making of the pad thai. Step 1, whip up a simple sauce. Ingredients are down below. Step 2, pan fry some extra firm tofu. I just water sauteed and it turned out surprisingly well. You can still get crispy tofu with just water. I did not know, but now I know. And now you know. Then step 3, are we on step 3? Add in some aromatics. I've got garlic, onion, green onion. And then step 4, add in some veggies. I've just got bell peppers and some carrots. And then this is optional, but you can add in some just egg. I just poured in about half a cup of liquid just egg because this is gonna give me a little bit of scrambled egg that you would traditionally find in a pad thai dish. And it was nice. Did it make a huge difference in the overall outcome of the dish? Well, we'll see. But it's, do what you want. You could always do tofu scramble as well. Then we added in the pad thai sauce, which I thickened with a little bit of cornstarch. Once everything got nice and bubbly and the sauce thickened up a bit, then you just add in the brown rice noodles. You could also use traditional white rice noodles, and then add everything else in that you already took care of. The tofu, add in some bean sprouts, add in anything else you want. I got some green onions. You can add in lime juice or red chili flakes, soy sauce. Taste everything, make sure it tastes good. Add extra seasonings as you see fit, and then there's your pad thai. That was a lot to cover in a short period of time, but I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty legit. I will say the brown rice noodles are a little more susceptible to breaking. I think, regular rice noodles, you won't really have that problem. Oh, you guys, this was a journey. I am so excited to finally taste this recipe test, this pad thai. It's a healthy take on a pad thai, totally vegan, gluten-free. I'd say pretty high in protein, with the tofu that I added and a little bit of just egg, plus the brown rice ramen noodles. I haven't tried it yet. It smells pretty good. That is not bad at all. That's actually pretty darn good. I really wasn't sure what to expect, to be honest with you guys. I know what pad thai is supposed to taste like. Now, if I'm being totally honest with you, does this taste just like how I remember it, in a restaurant? I'm not totally sure, to be honest. I'm thinking maybe I could have added a little more of that tamarind paste, but it's still really good. It's got a lot of flavor. It's nice and sweet and tangy. It's really satisfying, and it's noodles. Noodles, you guys. Noodles are always good. That was beautiful. So I'm definitely gonna continue testing this out over the next month, few weeks. It's not channel ready yet as far as giving you guys the full recipe, but it's close. So super excited to keep making this. In the meantime, I'm gonna go eat this now because I'm so hungry, and then after dinner I'm going to plunk in all my macros into Trainus, and we'll see what it comes out at for calories, protein, all that jazz. So see you in a few. Okay guys, so first off, I'm going to share with you what the total calories came in at for the pad thai, and then also what my total calories came in at for the whole day for all my meals. So first off, the pad thai came in at a whopping 581 calories per serving. That's with 4 servings, so not bad actually. I ended up coming in under my calorie total for the day at 1756 calories, which is pretty awesome. My goal today was to hit 1800, so having a little mild calorie deficit. Doesn't bother me at all. I'm full. I don't think I'm gonna need to eat any more snacks tonight. So yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with that. That dinner alone was 37 grams of protein, but for the whole day, I'm actually really impressed that I came in at, let's check it out, 109 grams of protein. That's like really blowing my mind because like I used to struggle so much with getting protein, like this much protein in a day, you know, when I was kind of new to eating plant-based, but it's just become so much more easier for me these days. And I'm really like upping my cooking, and I'm really like trying to be intentional about eating a lot of high protein foods like tofu and legumes and tempeh, you know, all the high protein things. Overall, guys, I'm really happy and impressed with this Trainist app. And if you're looking for a nutrition tracking app, definitely recommend this one to you guys. I have a download link below for you if you want to check it out for yourselves. It's completely free, and they have so many new things coming up over the next few months. Everything that I do on this channel, you guys, is always vegan and gluten-free. I try to keep things as healthy as possible. So if that's something that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe below because I post lots of videos all the time. Don't want you to miss out on anything that could help you in your healthy eating, plant-based journey. I also have a really cool playlist for you to check out here if you want to see more of what I eat in a day, more of what I eat in a week. And that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll hopefully see you in another video. Bye!